Welcome to Growth Reality Check, where mindset turns into momentum. Most people stay broke not because they're lazy, but because they've been trained to think like they're supposed to be. From day one, you're taught how to earn, but never how to build. That's not an accident. It's a system. Broke isn't just your bank balance. It's a mindset. A mindset that tells you, play safe, don't risk, just survive. You want to escape broke? Change your identity. Stop thinking like a consumer. Start moving like a creator. The broke mindset chases income. The wealth mindset builds assets. One keeps working, the other makes money work. You don't rise by saving pennies. You rise by multiplying your value and planting seeds that grow. Broke people avoid discomfort. Wealthy people embrace it because discomfort holds the keys to expansion. Most people upgrade their phone every year, but never upgrade their thinking. That's the real poverty. Want wealth? Ask better questions. How can I earn while I sleep? What problem can I solve today? Broke people copy comfort. Wealthy people copy models. One looks fun, the other looks boring, until it works. The truth? You're never taught how money actually works, and until you learn, you'll keep trading time for scraps. The people who win financially aren't smarter. They're just more intentional and unafraid to look broke while building wealth. If you're broke, don't panic, but don't get comfortable either. You're not stuck. You're just untrained. Start small. Learn a high-income skill. Build something once. Let it pay you forever. Think long-term. Will this help me escape the cycle? If not, it's just noise. Broke is temporary. Staying broke? That's a choice. Keep your mind strong, your goals sharp, and your grind consistent. Stay motivated, keep growing. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Growth Reality Check family.